Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS border width property. Right now we'll be discussing about the CSS border width property with predefined with a predefined value of medium. So I will call this property with a predefined value of medium, right? Value of medium with a predefined value of what? Of medium. So now quickly let's check this. Let's do something with our document. We are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the border width value of a predefined value of thickness of thick. So right now we are going to change this to a predefined value of what? Let me bring border width. We need the border width again. Now we want to change the predefined value to medium. Now let's save our document and see how the medium looks in our document. Back to our document, reload. Can you see when I reload this? Can you see how the thickness is looking? How the medium is looking. Let me bring it back to thickness so you can see. Let me use thickness so you can see what's going on. Let me use the thick. Now previously we discussed about, can you see the thick? Now when I change it back to the medium, when I use the medium, you're going to see the medium is in between the thick and thin. Can you see? In between the thick and thin. That is what they call medium, right? So I want you guys to practice this, test it to your taste. Can you see how it looks in our document? And we can use this also all in our Word, in our feed set element. Let's save our document and reload our feed set element. Can you see we are having see how it looks? It's different from the thin and it's different from the thick one we used earlier. And also we can use it also in one of the feed set element that is having the class of feed set. So let's reload our document. Can you see how this looks? Can you see inside this one only? So you can use this anyhow you want. This is what I have for you for now. Please practice this so you can be able to understand it deeply. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you.